This is so awesome today to celebrate with the City of Richmond and Golden Gate Audubon. We invited a whole bunch of artists to come out and show how beautiful the bird life is in the City of Richmond. This community has amazing habitat and it has amazing people. One of the things that makes Richmond so special is not just its birds, but its arts community. It's a great city for arts, and that's what we're celebrating, both of those today.
Cindy is the head of Audubon, and she's the ED, and so she's like, I need somebody to do an art piece for us. We're going to do the chalk. I was like, hello. So she said, yeah, because I did some work for her. She could see that I had the ability, so, I was like, yeah, perfect.
The Year of the Bird is established this year by the National Geographic that marks the centennial of the Migratory Bird Treaty Act as the most powerful and important bird protection law ever passed by Congress. The City of Richmond is an official bird-friendly city. Bird-friendly sites, cities encourage communities to create habitat, protect birds, provide public education, and makes its cityscape safer for birds. There's one bird, though, I think we're a little too friendly to, and that's the wild turkey. I could do with a few less of those.
It's also the Year of the Bird, so we decided we really wanted to celebrate with a city that understands how important birds are in the life of their community. And because of so much love for the ospreys that live here in Richmond, the city has really embraced all of its feathered creatures, and we're so excited about that. We actually worked with the city together to plan this event. The city does care very much about its birds, and so we had great partners with the city to put this event together. And we're really honored to have the canvas for all the artists actually be the city's Civic Center Plaza. It's an amazing spot to do art, and the art, as you can see, looks great on the plaza here in Richmond.
Now, I'm excited to announce today, for the first time ever, that I'm moving forward to declare the Osprey as the official bird of the City of Richmond. Richmond is home to more successful nesting ospreys than any other city in the Bay Area. And last year, 23 wild ospreys were raised along our shoreline. We'll be bringing forward a resolution to the City Council at our next meeting, April 17th, to formally declare the new city bird, which will be the first in our city's history.